Zoom has revolutionized team communication. Zoom is simple and rich in features. It gives you multiple conference rooms, desktop or mobile access, the highest video and audio quality, and more productivity for teams and meetings. So, let's see how to download Zoom Meetings for free in a few minutes with app tutorial. First, go on Google and search by typing Zoom Meetings download. Visit the zoom.us website from the first link and directly access the download center. On this page, you have multiple options: the Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook or IBM Notes, the extension for Firefox or Chrome browsers, the mobile apps for iOS or Android, the client plugin for sharing iPhone or iPad, the app for conference rooms and touchscreen displays, and the plugin for Skype for Business. But what you need now is the Zoom client for meetings that appears first in the list. The process is straightforward. Click the download blue button to get the installer. Then, retrieve the zoominstaller.exe file and double-click it to launch the installation wizard. Now, wait for the installer to complete the quick installation process. When you're ready, the installation was successful, click Done to close the dialog box. Now, you have three options: joining a meeting with a meeting ID or personal link name, signing in with your email and password or social media credential, or signing up by creating a brand new profile after confirming your date of birth. And that's it. Enjoy Zoom and have happy and productive meetings. Thanks, guys, for watching. Subscribe to our channel to follow all the other tutorials. Leave a comment below to tell us what you would like next. And remember to visit our website for the full tutorial. See you next time.